हाँ, कहाँ पर है? वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा आपका।
अरे वीडियो बंद किया है मैंने।
अच्छा, ओके, सो आई जस्ट टेल यू अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट। ओके, मैंने और एक भी जगह से लॉग इन कर दिया। आई विल शो यू द प्रोडक्ट लेटर। नाउ यू
हाँ
जस्ट सॉ व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग टू यू अर्लियर, माय कैमरा was zoomed out
हाँ
completely. Okay, now you saw it also did some correction. तो पहले मैं देखा था कि when I was sitting behind, the camera recognized कि मैं पीछे था, and the moment I started speaking it zoomed into me.
बराबर, वो देखा मैंने।
ओके, सो नाउ ये प्रोडक्ट जो है ना, इसका कैमरा इज 4K रेजोल्यूशन,
ओके
which is why even after zooming in so much, doing a digital zoom, you are not seeing me pixelated. Okay,
ओके
so now I will just stand and show you what happens. Now there are not many people, nobody else in the conference room, but as soon as I got up, you see that the camera is also tracking me.
ओके
Plus, I have got no microphones on me. I'm speaking wirelessly, right? So
ओके
this product has got a very special microphone. In fact, multiple microphones. They have 6 microphones on it. Those 6 microphones are called beamforming microphones. So
now why did it zoom out?
it did not zoom out. It centered me. So it has got multiple features. I'll tell you one by one.
अच्छा
So
ओके
see now, right now I'm standing about 10 feet away from the microphone or from the camera. And still you can hear me the same. No, the volume has not decreased or increased. It is still the same.
Okay.
Now, as I start moving, this is useful for people, especially who talk and give trainings or give speeches. So it is very useful for them. They keep moving, they're not stable. So as they keep moving, the camera starts tracking. So this camera has got a artificial intelligence. So it tracks the lip movement and also tracks where the sound is coming from. So as you can see, as I keep moving, it will try and keep me as centered as possible.
Okay.
So this is when I'm standing up. Suppose we have a meeting room kind of application where we have multiple people sitting on there. So what it is actually going to do is it will immediately identify that the next person is speaking and it will frame that person. Okay, and then once it is framed, it will try and center me. Okay, so this product is ideal for a 8 to 10 seater room, and in some of the places, Polycom says that it is meant only for a 6 seater, 6 to 8 seater, but we have also installed this in a 14 seater room. Okay, another feature
means what is the farthest?
So yeah, so 14 seater means 7 on each side, or maybe 6 on each side.
No, the farthest person will be at what distance?
He will be around at about 14 feet.
Okay.
Around 14 feet, 14, 15 feet. So to do that, you can even add an additional microphone on this. So right now, everything is embedded. It is a composite product. So I'll tell you what else it has. I'll just switch on my another camera and show you how it really looks. So you must have got a feel of the camera moving, right? So you must be thinking the camera is moving left, right. So it's not really panning and doing anything or zooming anything. This is all happening because of the artificial intelligence and the digital zoom capability of the camera. So I'll just show you how exactly this looks like. So this camera, as I said earlier, is 4K and it has got a speaker tracking feature. Also, it has got something known as acoustic fence. Now, you can see this wall of my conference room. Anything happening outside of this conference room, the audio is not picked up. It gets blocked. Another thing is, in the meeting scenario, we use a lot of keyboards. So those keyboards are, keyboard noise also gets nullified. So I'm going to switch on my another camera and show you how this product looks.
It's kept on the table.
Yeah, so it can be both mounted either under the TV, right below the TV or the display, or it can be kept on the table like this. So it comes with this stand. So in case you want to mount it on the wall, then you can remove this stand. So this is a camera which I was talking about. Now there is also a privacy shutter. So many people, when they install such products, they are scared because it could be hacked, and so this is a manual privacy shutter that shuts the camera off. And what you can see here on top are the microphones. Four microphones in the front, and you can see that light in the center. That light LED is a multicolored LED, plus it also moves as whichever microphone picks up the audio. So if I'm sitting on this side, right hand side, the light will move from here to here. If somebody on the left speaks, this microphone will realize that this person is sitting on that side, and the light will move there. Okay, so
you said 6 microphones, na? Now
so there are two on either sides.
Okay.
There's one here and one on that side, right? And the best part is this has got a 120 degree field of view, which is why this is ideal for a small conference room where the table is stuck to the wall, like it is in our case. So it can pick up show the person sitting right next to the camera. And these are the two stereo speakers. It is 10 plus 10 watts. So once you have this, all you need is that USB cable which comes supplied with this. You can connect it to your laptop, and you can use it on any software, be it Zoom, Skype for Business, anything, Google Meet, or Teams. So in this room, we are also using a small NUC whereby you can, you don't need to carry a laptop. You just program it on that, and that is enough.
Can I directly join onto Zoom using this VC equipment, or do I need to have a computer?
You need to have a computer like the way we have installed, we're using it on a laptop just now.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But as I said, I can also use Intel NUC, or I can use a thin PC, which I'm currently using, but I'm right now not connected. I can use an Intel thin PC and thin client and use it. So you can have a permanently Zoom application downloaded on it, give it a Zoom ID, and you can use it.
Okay, now tell me, so if I have a display unit which is a smart, which has connectivity, can I start Zoom from there?
See, if that TV allows you to use Zoom, then you can, because earlier some TVs even used to allow use of Skype, but of late that has been discontinued for privacy purposes.
Okay.
So companies all over, in fact, Skype has discontinued the Skype service on smart TVs.
Okay, now this device, if there are multiple people out there in this room, it will only pan on to the person who is speaking.
Exactly.
Achha.
So
can that be disabled if I want to have a fixed view?
Sure. So you can do that. So I think I missed on that. So this is the default view, right? And then I can also have presets. So for example, I was talking about somebody writing on the board and explaining something. So if I was in that situation, what would happen is the camera would track me and only show me in the center. But now I want to show a portion of this writing board. So what I can do is I can have a preset. So this is my preset for the writing board. So this is some other preset. So I can have different presets. So I can show you how I can actually zoom in. I will zoom in and then pick a portion of my whiteboard. Like this, and have a preset. So I've made this my preset now. So I can keep writing, and I can use this as the camera can actually see the whiteboard.
Okay.
Okay, and then I can just come back to my main position, the home position of the camera, and thereafter it will start tracking me.
So it's a manual activity then to set the
preset. So when you want to do presets, it's a manual activity, but otherwise when there are multiple people sitting here, it will automatically keep tracking each other.
Okay. Does this have Alexa integration? No.
This one doesn't have Alexa integration, but we have a higher model which also has a native Zoom embedded on it. So which means that in that case, you don't need to have any external computer or PC. So right now we have Zoom and Teams available on those models.
Okay.
And those models are also IP based. So which means that you can also do your traditional IP calling.
Okay.
And that comes with a touch panel as well. So it gives you an even better feel. You can just join the Zoom meeting by a click.
Okay. Okay. What is the approximate cost?
This is 1,25,000 plus taxes.
Okay.
So for this model, the higher model is way too expensive.
Okay. Okay. But here you say the compute is necessary. And what are the cables going from the compute?
Okay, so there will be two cables going from the laptop. One is your HDMI cable and the second would be a USB cable. So this comes along with a 5-meter fiber optic USB cable, 3.0. And if you don't want to add two HDMI cables, we have done this recently, you can go for a dock. You know, a lot of surfaces and displays, these days you only have a USB-C type or maybe a USB-A type. They don't have a display port or a VGA or HDMI port. So you can go for a dock. The dock gets connected to your laptop and you can just connect the USB cable of this unit and the HDMI from the dock. So single cable.
Why is the USB cable required?
Because then for any software that requires a camera, this behaves as a camera and the microphone.
Okay.
So this is a camera and a microphone and a speaker.
Limitation then, na? Of 5 meters distance from the.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So if you want something beyond that, then we have converters available. We have USB over LAN, which can go up to 60 meters.
16 meters, okay.
660.
60.
60.
60 is not required. Around 10 meters, fine. Not even 10. 7, 8 meters.
No, so if it is more than 5, then there is no guarantee that it might work because then it might just work, sometimes it may not work. So it's a good idea. If it's beyond 5 meters, you should always use an extender.
Problem.
There is one more feature in this. So you must be using SoundStation, right? Polycom SoundStation to make audio calls. So now in this, if you go for this, then you don't need a SoundStation as such because whoever is doing his meeting and if he wants to do an audio call, he can pair his mobile phone to this unit via Bluetooth and explore the possibility of your mobile phone. And I think today mobile phone allows 5-party multi-party conference. So you can have about 7-8 people sitting here in this room and you can communicate with other people using the audio call.
नहीं फंसेगा ये 5 मीटर तक ही देगा तो प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर मेरे को टेबल के ऊपर ही रखना पड़ेगा.
So what we can do is there are extension cables available, good quality. See, USB themselves say you cannot use anything more than 5 meters. But at some places for cameras, not these cameras, but other cameras, we have used extension cables. So we have used +3 on a 5 meter. So they don't give trouble. So we can use a male-female extension to connect this. But the best would be to have an extender.
Okay, now somebody has to share data, then how that can be done?
So that
and if I have a TV, I have to see the display on the display unit, not on my laptop.
You mean on the opposite side, is it?
No, on this side itself. If somebody else is presenting, Where will be the display?
Saying that if there is a TV on the other side where the presentation is going on. So you mean this wall?
No. See, there is a presenter at the other end.
Okay.
At the other end, he wants to present something.
Okay.
And where will the display come? Can it be connected to the TV, the display unit?
See, right now my setup is I have a laptop. Okay, where the software is running, the product is connected to the laptop on USB, and my TV is connected also through HDMI to the laptop.
Okay.
And I'm talking to you looking at the laptop. Sorry, looking at the display and not the laptop.
Okay.
Right. So if you're talking about a similar arrangement, and suppose I have to share a document with you.
Or then I have to share it.
Yes, you can. So when you share it, I'll be able to see it on the TV.
So when you share it, it will come onto my laptop. I mean, supposing I'm sharing that presentation.
Yeah.
It will come onto your laptop.
Yes.
Okay.
And this laptop image is mirrored there. So it is coming actually on both the sides. But then when I'm looking at the camera and looking at a TV, you are feeling that I'm talking to you. If I look at the laptop, I'm going to have this view.
Okay, so I cannot work privately on my laptop.
You cannot. If you are doing in the video call, you cannot.
Or else I need to have a separate computer for this.
Yes, then you have to have a separate computer whereby you can just minimize the zoom and then do all of that.
Okay. So, okay, then I can do away with the 5-meter limitation also. I can keep this compute at the farthest end of the table.
Correct.
Use a USB mouse or a wireless mouse to...
Sure. So I'll just show you what I was talking about. We are actually using this here. Just because I was using my laptop, I connected on that. So this is what we are using for this conference room.
What is
Small
that?
PC.
Okay.
And we are using this only for Zoom.
Okay.
Zoom and WebEx.
The product from?
So you get these products from Dell. You get these products. Some of them are Chinese also. Some of them Taiwanese. So even Dell manufactures these kind of.
What is a good brand? Dell.
You can go with HP or Dell.
HP or Dell. What are they called? Sure. Mini PC.
They're known as mini PCs or thin clients.
So the display from the thin client is to the TV or the display unit.
Yes.
Output is on that. Okay.
Right.
Okay. And you use a mouse to connect.
Yeah, and we have connected a keyboard mouse, which is wireless.
Wireless keyboard mouse. What is the maximum distance for that wireless keyboard mouse?
So these are basically about, they work for about 10 to 12 feet line of sight.
Line of sight, okay. It works on RF?
It works on RF, yes. So you also get Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth keyboards. So, and the newer Bluetooth technologies support longer distances. So Logitech is a good brand to buy.
एक काम करना, इसका मेरे को details भेजना मेरे email ID पे.
Yes.